What is up, everybody? It's the news reporter Maria, and today I will be filming on Let's Play channel. So yeah, right now he's preparing for a very important occasion. We found him doing magic at his house, and I was like, oh my gosh! And so I have to record this. I'm like, okay, so I have to bring my cameraman, and he's right there. He doesn't talk, so yeah. And so today I am in a news station, and we're gonna roll the clip. But before I start, Let's Play wanted me to tell you guys this. He has a new channel. The name will be in the link description below. So yeah, but it's not out yet. So yeah. Anyways, roll the clip. Bye. Alright, it's magic time. Today's magic, I will be changing clothes. Can't you believe that? So right now I'm in my pajamas and my shirt thingy. And when I say these magic words, abracadabra, bippity boppity boo, I will change clothes. Ready? Alright, let's do this. Ready? Abracadabra, abracazoo, bippity boppity boo. And I'm in my clothes. I have my shorts, my shirt, and my hat. Okay. So, that was the magic of the day. And now, for the next one. Okay? Okay. Alright. I have this squishy. There. I don't know if this is actually magic, but I'm gonna make it disappear out of my hand. Alright, ready? Actually, no. I'm gonna tell you the magic words, okay? So, the magic words are... I don't know what the magic words are. Yeah, that's the magic word. Alright, ready? I don't know what the magic words are. And it's gone. I kind of moved my hand. I don't know why, but it's gone. Now I am going to make myself disappear and go right here. Alright? Bippity boppity boo. And I'm back. I didn't actually go over there. I actually went to Africa. I donated some money though. So, sure. And guys, I really hope you guys like this video. And back to the news reporter, and she also is wearing the same clothes as me. Why are you wearing the same clothes as me? Oh well, she's also wearing the same hat. I don't know why. But back to the news reporter. Bye. And guys, that was the magic. And so yeah, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. Also, like I said, subscribe to Dante's channel. Okay, subscribe to Dante's channel, and yeah, also I will, like I said, I will link in the description below the name of Dante's new channel. So yeah. Bye.